Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Eat. Um, Today, since I'm in Utah, we're going to do some ReadyWise. Hold on. ReadyWise. Um, this is their Teriyaki Chicken and Rice. I'm nervous about eating it. I probably maybe eat half because of the 30 grams of protein. I have gout and protein's bad for me if I overdo it. So I try to balance things out. 30 grams. If you're hiking, that's awesome. If you're sitting around the house being lazy, it's not so awesome. One of the cool things about ReadyWise is they have riddles and jokes and camping hacks in the back, on the back. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Oh, the answer's on the bottom. I'm a mat. Camping hat. A mesh laundry bag can serve as a dinner or a dish drainer when hung from a tree branch. And there's something about duct tape, but it's right in the chair. You don't care. This is a lot like Mountain House and all the other brands, but if you happen to be in Utah or passing through Utah, go by a Walmart, not to the camping section, but to the food section, and they'll have a big display of ReadyWise and August and Farms stuff. This was, I believe, $6.99, which is like half the price of Mountain House now and the other fancy brands. I've tried a couple of the flavors that they have all kinds of stuff, and I've been happy with all of them. Every bit as good as Mountain House. Augustin Farms, you say? They make emergency foods, mixes, soups. ReadyWise makes soups too. 2 days ago I made ReadyWise chicken noodle soup. It's a lot like Bear Creek. I added a couple of handfuls of this, some extra seasoning, some fresh spinach, and it's really good. This, you can get a little shaker bottle at your grocery for like $10. This was again like $8.99 at Walmart in Utah. Just freeze-dried veggies and if you're mixing in soup, heating up soups, or I've even mixed it in when I'm boiling the water for mac and cheese, and it makes it all nice and vegetable-y. So, that's not why you're watching though. You're watching to find out what this is like. So, like Mountain House and the other camping meals, you boil water. Remember to take this out. It doesn't matter if you forget. It's not going to kill you. But it helps to mix it up. And I actually tried to make it cozy to keep these in out of old Mylar window shade for the car. The first one, birds got two of them tore it up. The second one, no, the first one didn't turn out good. The second one, the birds got two. My fancy titanium spork that I got specifically for eating out of the pouch. The cozy helps keep it warm, keep the heat in. It says no, you can't have any. This isn't dog food. I've inherited a dog from my mom, 2 dogs, and she thinks I should be sharing food. Let's see. Closed zipper, let stand 12 to 15 minutes. I gave it over 20 minutes because that gives it more time to dehydrate. So this is, what is this anyway? Teriyaki chicken and rice. Sorry, I'm trying to do a couple of things at once and not spill food. No, it's not for you, dog. That was good. And there's the backup auxiliary dog, the geriatric pug, Miss Abby. Hi, Miss Abby. We'll get you all in a future episode. This is good. I can even get a touch of pineapple in there, which that's very complex flavor profile for a freeze-dried meal pouch. This isn't even my favorite, but I wanted to try something different and offer you something different. I'm trying to read what else they have. I don't know. They got the usual suspects like chili and spaghetti and I don't know. They got very similar foods to the rest. Okay, that's really impressive. Like I said, I prefer something like the chili or the pasta, whatever, just for my own, that's my, but this is actually way more complex flavor profile. Like I said, it is definitely a thumbs up. When you're in Utah, look for them, stock up. They last 25 years. Wholeheartedly recommend everything I've tried so far. And also, don't forget the Augustin Farms. They have very similar stuff. I actually thought they were the same company for a while, but I looked it up so I didn't tell you the wrong thing. Apparently they are separate companies. You can get buckets of butter powder. They have the chicken noodle soups and all that. I believe they had meals. I don't know if they still do or not. You want to be on camera? Okay. Hold on. We got a puppy that wants to be on. Oh, no. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is a Lulu. And She's a little camera shy sometimes. Kizzy kizzy. Okay, now we gotta show the pug. Hi, Puggy! Puggy's not camera shy at all. So, that's it. That's all we've got. I think they're telling me they're hungry. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll get back on the griddle one of these days. In the meantime, we'll keep tasting and mixing and eating our own cooking, other cooking, and we'll see you next time. Bye!